Hi, I am Prabhu, working as regional manager for Karnataka and Goa from past 29 years. I was an office executive, was working in warehouse for packing and dispatching section. Then slowly started learning service, which helped me in my growth as a service engineer, then to a service manager, then to a regional manager. It is going on. And I'm very happy with my job profile. My company has given me everything. ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನಮಗೇನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಂಥರ ಜನಗಳ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಗ್ರೋತ್ಗೆ, ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆದೆ. ಅದೇ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದೆ. ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗೂ ಈಗಿರೋ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗೂ ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಒಂದು 7-8 ಜನ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 300 ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಒಂಥರ ಈಗ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಈಗ. Milestone, as I said, I was office executive, learning service of equipments, reading manuals, learning, diagnosing the problems. That was one of the biggest milestone. Then to this one, doing sales, converting people to purchase the equipments is one of the main milestone, and relationship with customers, that was my biggest milestone. I'll be very happy if they can join Madhus. There are a lot of growth in company and earnings are very huge. They can earn a huge amount of money. Their technical knowledge will improve. They can have a good relationship with people. They can maintain their social life. And the main thing is, you get the salary on now first of the month. So we don't have to care for money itself. In some cases we have seen we get salary at 10-15, but in our company past from 29 years I have seen, and for first day of the month we will be getting the salary. The main thing. Second thing, we get lot of help from others, from colleagues, from company owner, everything, MDs. They support us a lot for growth. Incentive systems is very good in our company. Earlier days we were earning a good value of amount, but now it has become double the incentives what we are earning recent days. In incentives, if you see, we can earn whatever we want. That is the main thing. How much we sell, how much we do service, how much we collect AMCs, that is we will get the full good amount of as incentive. Work culture is very good. It is a team effort. We have a good team. Everyone, each other supports each and everyone. And main thing is, we can tell our what is our ನಮ್ಮ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಬಾಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. I'm very much happy, and it's like my company. I am working here from past 29 years, and it's just like my own company. I am working here, and I'm very happy.